Okay, red belt, sit down first. Okay, face to face. Charan, Kyungni. Elbow to elbow. Fist to elbow. Okay, defender, do self-defense number 11, 13, and 15. Okay, 11, 13, and 15. Attacker ready, shot! Answer. Chuk. Baro. Okay, fist to elbow. Okay. This time, self-defense number 13. Ready? Attacker ready, shot! Answer. Chuk. Or stop. Okay. Baro. Okay, fist to elbow. Self-defense number 15. Attacker ready, shot! Answer. Chuk. Baro. Okay. Chest. Okay. Okay. Fist to elbow. So this line will be the attacker side. This line will be the defender. Ready? Defender. Show self-defense number 12, 14, and 15. 12, 14, and 15. Attacker ready. Shot. Answer. Chuk. Baro. Okay, fist to elbow. Attacker ready. Shot. Number 14. Answer. Chuk. Baro. Okay, fist to elbow. Number 15. Attacker ready. Shot. Answer. Chuk. Baro. Charan. Okay, go back to your line.